Office Chairiot Mark II Progress Log, July 15th, 2015. I'm catting up parts to organize and pretty up the rat's nest of wiring and bare circuit boards on the Office Chairiot's chassis. The first part to get some lovin' was the Arduino board. I found a model of the board at grabcad.com and I imported it into Onshape. More about Onshape in a later video and article. I designed the enclosure around the board, added some LED holes, and set up the lid to attach with as few screws as possible. I put 2 tabs on one end and 2 screws on the other, but they're down on the vertical walls of the enclosure, not up on top of the lid. On the first version of the enclosure, I didn't make slots or holes for communications or sensor wires. I figured I'd engineer those as needed with a Dremel tool. I uploaded the design at shapeways.com and got the first version back yesterday. It's amazing. The lid closes as designed and the Arduino fits perfectly. I designed the bosses the board sits on to accept roughly 2mm self-tapping screws. I have tons of tiny salvage screws around. I keep all of the tiny screws from old electronics I take apart for recycling. There's not a lot of visible body, chassis, or control panel work going on lately. Most of the work lately has been on circuits and firmware. So that's it for now. I'll be putting out updates a little more frequently, so keep an eye on your inbox or come back to StuffAndyMakes.com or OfficeChariot.com to see the latest contraptions and designs. Thanks!